Hi guys, and welcome to another video tutorial of Adobe Illustrator CC Basic Series. Today we will learn about different panels of Illustrator. We will learn what panels are and properties they have. So let's get started. Illustrator has a lot of panels to work efficiently and easily in the software. Depending on your current workspace, different ones will be displayed, like these panels in my workspace. But if there is any panels that you don't see here, or it was present earlier, and now you have accidentally clicked it off, then you can easily find it under the Windows drop-down menu. All the panels of Illustrator can be found here. You just need to simply click on it, and it will open up. Let's look at some of the panels that are visible in my workspace, to study their properties as an example. If I click on one of the panels, it will open up like this, and we can see different things in here. So let me start from the right side. You can see 3 lines in a row. If you click them, they will open an additional flyout menu relating to that panel. Depending on which panel is open, different options will be displayed here. To the left side of the flyout menu, 2 small arrows are given. Their function is to close the panel back, like this. Left of the arrows, color guide is written, but that's another panel. We will talk about that in just a minute. But further, to the left side, the name of the panel is given. It is a color panel, so color is written here. Since it is a color panel, a spectrum of colors is given below here. You can change the colors of an object from here also. Next to the panel name, very small arrows are given in the panel tab. If you click on them, they will expand the current panel that you are working in. As you can see now, more properties of the same panel are displayed. Different panels have different levels, a short one and an extensive level with more options. Now let's take a look at the panel next to the color panel, and that is this color guide panel, and if I click on it, its own properties are displayed like this. This panel also have different levels, a concise one and an extended one. These 2 panels are shown like this side by side, because they are nested together. You can easily change their arrangement by adding or removing a panel from a row of nested panels. Let me show you. If I click and drag on this panel, I can take it out like so. Now it's called a floating panel. Sometimes working in Illustrator, you need to open different panels like this to work more efficiently and speedily, because you don't have to open a panel every time you need it. Now if I wanted to put the panel back at its place or anywhere else, I just need to drag the panel onto the panels column, and a blue line like this will indicate where I can put this panel. I can put it at the same place where I took it from, or I can simply put it somewhere else. For the time being, I will just put it where it was. You can arrange panels and their rows in whatever way that is convenient for you. Other than these panels, some panels issue commands like this stroke panel. If I open it and expand it, I can change the properties of this stroke line by changing its thickness, for example. You can also change its profile and other properties if you would like to do so from here. Other than command panels, there are panels that store things. For example, this swatches panel. It is filled with different color swatches, and you can add more swatches to it if you like to. For example, if you come across one of my illustration on the web or someone else's designs and you really like the color combination that they have used, well, you can easily copy that and store it in here for later use. Command panels have some extra options which are not found in other panels. At the bottom of the panel, you can delete the items of that panel. You can create a new items in it. You can make a group of different items of that panel. There are some other options that we will study later in the course as move along. One of the most important options that is given command panels is this library option, which lets you access different stored items relating to that particular panel. For example, if I click on it, a number of different brushes are shown here, which I can then apply to my stroke by clicking on it, like so. There is also the symbol panel also. You might have seen me in my previous videos on how to use its content. We will study about all these panels extensively later on in our course, but for now that's it about the basics of panels in Illustrator, and on how to find them, and how to open them. I hope you are a little bit more clear about the concept of panels in Illustrator after watching this video, but if you still have any questions, you can ask me about it in the comment section, and I will get to you because I always reply to all my comments, albeit sometimes a little late. Okay, that's it for now. I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye for now.